Today we are going to study Newton Lagrange formulation for multi-DOF system. I will explain it with an example. So the example is there is one mass which is supported by a spring and damper. Force is applied to them and xt is a displacement, or you can say it's the distance it covers due to this force. Now there is another mass which is like pendulum, okay, pendulum, and we will consider it as point mass. So we will not going to consider rest of its things like inertia. So we will just consider it as a point mass, and it is moving like this. So it is theta. So this is the pendulum mass. Okay, it is m. This is theta t. Okay, and we can say it is as an L. It is K, it is C, so that's it. Okay, so what are the motions over here? One is translational and other is rotational. Okay, so one is translational, other is rotational. Now start with pendulum XPT. If we will consider it XPT, so what will be the movement for this one? One is like XT plus if we will consider here, it is XT plus it is moved like this. So what will be here? It is L sine theta t. You understand this? It is due to this mass. We are consider first for the pendulum the displacement. Yes. Now YPT. YPT is just L cos theta t. Okay. Now take its derivatives. Means differentiation. X dot pt is equal to, it would be x dot t plus, if you will differentiate it, what it would be? L is constant, so sine theta derivative is cos theta. So it is L cos theta t. We are doing differentiation with respect to dt. Okay, so it is x dot pt. Now L cos theta t, and then theta t with respect to t, so it becomes theta t dot. Okay, now ypt, it is equal to
minus sign.
Very good. L sine theta t theta t. Okay, because we are going to calculate kinetic energy, for that we need half mv square, so we will take the squares of them. So we start x dot p square. Now just for simplicity we are not writing t. Okay, so x square p. Can anybody tell me that how it become velocity? Means why we call it velocity? Because if xt is displacement, dxt by dt is velocity. Okay, that is, you can also call it like x dot dxt by dt. So these both are same, so it is now velocity. Okay, so x square, if we will square it, so what it would be, x dot t square plus L square cos square theta t into theta t square. Okay, so if we will make the square of this one, so the whole will become a square, so it become a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, so it become 2xt 2ab cos theta and L cos theta t into theta dot t. You understand this one? Because we are doing a square, so it become whole square, it become a plus b, so a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Now square y square p, so it become L square sin square theta t into theta t square. Done. Now kinetic energy become half m xp square plus yp x dot p square plus y dot p square, and we will add both of them, so it become x half m x dot square t plus L square cos square theta t into theta square t plus 2x t into L into cos theta t into theta dot t. Okay, plus L square sin square theta t into theta dot square t. Not here, it will be here. Okay.